Sadat City Language School, English Department, Prep 3, Academic Year 2021. Hello everyone, hope you're safe and secure. This is Miss Fatma Shazli speaking. In this video, we are going to revise a grammar lesson which is the future and the past. So, be ready. By the end of this video, you will learn how to use the future in the past. Also, you will know how to identify the use of was or were going to plus the verb to refer to the future in the past. Then, you will identify how to use would plus the verb in a noun clause to refer to the past or the future in the past. Finally, we will do some practice. At first, in order to understand what we mean by future in the past, I'd like you to answer the following questions using was or were going to plus the verb or would plus the verb in a noun clause. Please pause the video to answer, then come back to have self-evaluation. Have a look at the first picture and answer my question. What was she going to do? Of course, she was going to be a rock star. Maybe her tastes changed. Let's move to the second picture and answer my question. What did he always think he would do? That's right, he always thought he would be an artist, but as you know, it's hard to make a living as an artist. Another example, what was she going to do? Yes, that's correct. She was going to marry him, but she changed her mind. Now, can you guess when we use the future in the past? Frankly, we use the future in the past to refer to something that was the future at some time in the past. It doesn't matter if the future event happened or not. In other words, we use it when we refer to past plans or intentions. Okay? But pay attention, please. There is a big difference between the form of the future and the form of the future in the past. To understand more, have a look at the following comparison between the future and the future in the past. As you can see, we use will plus the verb to refer to the future. For example, I will revise my lessons carefully, an action that will happen in the future. On the other hand, we use would plus the verb in a noun clause to refer to past plans or intentions. For example, she always thought she would marry him. Also, we can refer to the future by using verb to be in its present form. I mean am or is or are plus going to plus the verb to refer to future plans that will happen in the future, as the shown example. We are going to travel to France. On the other side, we use was or were plus going to plus the verb to refer to past plans, like I was going to tell her, but I didn't get time. Now, I want to draw your attention to a point. We can't use would plus the verb only to refer to the future and the past. Instead, would must be used in a noun clause, using some verbs like thought, believed, or said to refer to the past. So, according to the previous rule, I can't say or I can't say she would be a doctor alone to refer to the past. But I can say she always believed she would be a doctor instead to refer to the future and the past. Another point, we can use was or were going to plus the verb only to refer to the past or to refer to the past plans. Or we can use it in a noun clause like would. Let's say it's optional for you to put it in a noun clause or not. For example, they said they were going to arrive before noon. Here I put was or were going to in a noun clause, which is they said they were going to arrive before noon. Or I can say they were going to arrive before noon alone. And here comes the last part of our video, in which we are going to complete each sentence by using would. I expect you to answer all the questions correctly. Pause the video to answer, then evaluate your answers. The first example, Laura always thought she'd be a dentist. Can you guess the answer here? That's correct. The answer is Laura always thought she would be a doctor. Another example, Joe always believed become a writer. That's correct. Joe always believed he would be a writer. I can also say Joe always believed that he would be a writer. Okay? Let's move to another example. He said, apply law school. Can you complete this sentence using would? That's correct. He said he would apply to law school. And here is the end of our video. Thank you so much.